this is Vaishnavi from AdGully, and thank you for joining.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Yeah. So, Amira has a unique name and a vibe. Can you tell us what the film is about and what audience can expect from it? Like anyone of you.
Yeah, I think Amira, she is present over here, so she should tell you what it means and how it goes from there.
It is a really interesting name, and it does have a really fresh and modern and really cool vibe that people of all age groups, people of all like regions from our countries, no matter what language they speak, can really enjoy.
Yeah,
And it's a fresh new take on relationships and most importantly, friendship.
absolutely.
So that is the core message of how we have explored friendship through this film.
Okay, so I have watched the trailer and I can see that Amira is playing cricket and she's interested in playing cricket. So,
Mm-hmm.
what's the story behind it?
See, Amira, again, as I would say, right, just to add on a little to what Sai said, I think Amira, for that matter, any relationship, if it evolves with friendship, it is an everlasting relationship. Be it husband, wife, be it son and daughter, wife and daughter and father, whatever.
Yeah,
So friendship is at the core of every relationship. Sometimes we miss out on that और हम लोग रिश्ते और नातों में खामखा कुछ ऐसी चीजें ले आते हैं जिनकी कोई जरूरत नहीं होती है. फ्रेंडशिप में कभी ईगो नहीं होता है तो रिलेशनशिप्स में ईगो बन जाते हैं and that's what spoils the entire relationship meaning. So I think this film dwells on that. Secondly, yes, cricket is a certain small part of the film. She is supposed to be a one very passionate about playing cricket, and as you very rightfully know that कल IPL चल रहा है, तो IPL के दौर में अमायरा का भी बैटिंग थोड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए. So she has trained towards getting into the London teams and all that, and it's nothing but just a conduit to connect people in the film.
absolutely.
Hi everyone, I'm back.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay, ma'am. So the question was, Amira has a unique name and why. Can you tell us what film is about and what audience can expect from it? So, like Sai and Ajinkya sir already had a view, and do you want to add something on that?
So I don't know what they have said, but
Okay.
Amira Amara is a film about this little girl, Sai,
Yes.
and how we all revolve around her because she's the sunlight or the sun of our life. And it's a film about relationships. It's
Okay.
about communication. It's about people who meet each other in life and then for some reason go their own ways. And then life is life and we all come back again. And how we bring ourselves together and find ourselves under the same roof and how
Absolutely.
relationships are dealt with. So that's the aspect of the film.
Okay. So how was it working under the production of Shubhas Ghai sir, who has legendary presence in the Indian cinema?
It's always an honor to work in his production. Um, and you're just very lucky. I have been very lucky. This is my third film under their banner,
Okay.
and I'm honored and happy and joyful.
You want to add something, sir?
Yeah, of course. I mean, who wouldn't want to work under the Doyen? The name itself says everything. Has been an integral part of Bollywood cinema, the biggest showman of ever after Raj Kapoor Saab. And I mean, so much to learn from him. Though, of course, I always meet him and I tell him कि बस एक
We all
Arey,
disappeared suddenly from the screen.
yeah. Pooja Tai is also here. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
I
Hi.
was wondering if you guys can see me or not. I'm still struggling with this.
You look so pretty.
Oh,
Yes,
thank
on
you.
shoot.
So sorry. Yeah, I'm shooting right now. I just got some
Okay.
time and I came to meet you
I'm
all.
sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, good, yeah. Sorry, I just missed out on something.
You all can see me, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And can hear me too.
Yes.
Okay.
think
What are you
Yes.
talking about?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hello,
yes, sir. You
Hi,
were saying
sir.
something.
Hi. So what are you guys talking
I was
about?
completing
Tell me,
about Subhashji. So of course I have always been in awe of all the films that he's made, and it's so beautiful to be there, and when he has been assisting us to see how we can better ourselves as actors and putting us into the right perspective. And yeah, a pleasure and a fantastic dream come true for me to work under Mukta Arts.
Okay. Sai, this was your debut. So do you want to add something? How do you feel working with Shubhas? So
Such an honor to have such a huge banner for your debut. So I'm extremely grateful. And this is like a full circle moment because first I met him as the founder of my college, and
okay.
we used to attend his master classes. He used to uh, talk to us as a classroom, and then later to have such a beautiful like launch or such a beautiful introduction by him was a full circle moment because I used to be in class when he used to give his master classes, and so yeah, full circle, absolutely loved it. And we're both
Okay.
SG also, huh? So that's something we have in common.
Okay. So Pooja ma'am, do you want to add on to that?
Yeah, I definitely would love to add. Actually, this is my second film with Mukta Arts. My
Yeah.
first film was Vijeta. It was multi-starrer, and it was one of the toughest film I shot for because I was playing some sport women and I was being like athletic and everything. But in this movie, I just have to, dress nicely, look beautiful. I had such a handsome hero in front of me to romance with. So फर्स्ट फिल्म मध्ये जी कसर मला जे काही करायला मिळालं नाही मी हे सगळं सेकंड फिल्म मध्ये केलं and it was just fun. There was one scene where Ajinkya sir proposed to me, and that scene was like it was written wonderfully. We shot it beautifully, and I think all the takes were one take okay. So we thoroughly enjoyed performing that, all of us.
Okay.
Yeah, there was a lovely chemistry. Yeah, there was a lovely chemistry, and I was initially I was a little scared, to be proposing to Pooja, and such a beautiful girl, and then I was somehow feeling, what if in cinema also she rejects me? But then no, not. So it worked out.
No, but I enjoyed. Even I was more nervous, but the family. I won't say crew, but my family
That's
was
true.
amazing. Sai, Rajeshwari Tai. Oh my God, with Rajeshwari Tai, it was a bonus for me. I am a huge fan of her movies and her acting skills, and one of it, Aitya Gharat Gharoba, one of the best films I've ever watched.
Thank you.
So one day I took her. I was like, I'm playing this, watching this with you, sitting next to me, and I did that.
So
I
in the
wanted to do
hotel
the
in
same
London,
with
we were watching
Sarja,
film together.
but I could not get time to watch a Ajinkya Sir's film with him. But I could do it with Rajeshwari Tai. I love you,
Wow.
Raj. I love you, sir.
Thank
And
you.
with Sai,
Love you.
I think with Sai, I met my soulmate.
Oh my God, because
I never
same.
said this about my husband that I met my soulmate, but with Sai, I must say that she is my soulmate.
How sweet, because same.
It was
Wow.
wonderful.
Okay. So the chemistry and the bonding, as I can see, is very strong and beautifully as said. It's a
Of course it is.
family.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so what were some of the most emotionally intense and creatively challenging scene during the shoot?
You
Any
asking?
moment? I have
Uh,
seen trailer, and there
there
are a
were,
lot of
yeah, there were many.
yeah.
Yeah, it
I'll,
was.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you mine because I think I need to go for a shot. Mine was with Atul Dada, Atul Parsure.
Okay.
Unfortunately, he's not with us. So he was playing my father, and there was a very emotional scene which we shot in the cemetery in front of the church.
Mm-hmm.
And that was a very emotional scene. Even today, when I watched the film, I cried. So
Okay.
that scene will always be in my heart.
Okay.
See, basically for me, it was a roller coaster ride because I was the eye of the storm. So
Absolutely.
from all sides, I had to react and kind of try and understand where I have landed myself in this situation. So it was every scene had its own magic for me, and every scene had something or the other that nuance that I could add, and there was emotional connect to most of it because it was a beautifully woven film. It
Mm-hmm.
is a beautiful
Yeah.
film.
Okay.
For
So
me,
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
Okay, so for me, I think the scene where we meet for the first time after many, many years and interacting with a gentleman when your daughter is present, and I shouldn't be giving out the story, of course. And of course, when Sai decides to go her own way, I think these are the two important scenes for me.
Absolutely. Sai, for you?
Um, when I find out things that were kept
Things?
from me, that's I can say.
Find out
Yeah,
things.
man.
She
When
goes
I
in the
find
same.
out some things that people are hiding from me.
Yeah.
So there was a lot of like betrayal, yet like, whoa, what? New information, all of that. And we
Yeah.
shot that on the fourth day of
Yeah.
Okay.
landing, after
Oh,
landing in London.
great.
Thank you. Fourth day, but I had my girls. We shared a room together, right? So they used to give me like the best pep talk before the scene, and I truly needed it because I was full like I don't know why I was like method acting. I know it makes no sense, but I was fully like, "Oh, I'm sad," and then they really cheered me up and gave me like a hug and a pep talk, and that really helped me. Rajeshwari ma'am and Pooja Tai. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, guys, I have to leave. I'm going for the
Yeah.
shot, but it was lovely to see you again, everybody. I'm
Bye
Thank
missing.
bye.
you.
I'm
Bye.
coming to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye
Thank
Yes.
you
bye.
for joining. Yeah.
You're most welcome, baby. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye.
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 Okay. So how do y'all feel the film reacts or connects to the today's Marathi audience?
It should connect to every audience, I would say, not just Marathi, because these relationships, these emotions have no language barrier. आणि
Absolutely.
आणि मराठी लोकांना खास करून ही जास्त आवडायला हवी, कारण याच्यामध्ये मातृत्वाचं नातं आहे, याच्यात पितृत्वाचं नातं आहे, याच्यात मैत्रीचं नातं आहे, आणि याच्यामध्ये त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत ज्या मराठी माणसाला आवडतात किंवा मराठी माणूस ते जोपासतो. तेव्हा मला वाटतं मराठी लोकांना तर ही खास करून आवडली पाहिजे. पण त्यावरून मी हेही म्हणेन की लँग्वेज इज नो बॅरियर. मला वाटतं सगळ्यांनीच हा चित्रपट पाहायला हवा आणि त्यांना
Absolutely.
आवडेल. प्रत्येक कॅरेक्टर्स मध्ये त्यांना कोण ना कोणतरी स्वतःच दिसेल, स्वतःचं प्रतिबिंब दिसेल. सो आय थिंक इट शुड बी सीन बाय एव्हरीबडी.
Absolutely. It like while watching a trailer, I was just connected to the characters, and I could just feel the connection to the character is the most important.
येस,
Yeah.
करेक्ट.
Okay. So what message or thought would you like the audience to carry with them after watching the film?
I don't want them to carry anything with them except the fact that friendship should be the gist for all relationships. म्हणजे तुम्ही थिएटरमधनं बाहेर निघताना जर तुमच्या बरोबर बायको आली असेल तर तिच्या बरोबर तुमची मैत्री कशी चांगली होऊ शकेल, जर नवरा असेल तर त्याच्याबरोबर मैत्री कशी चांगली होईल, मुलं असतील तर त्यांच्याबरोबर मैत्रीत्वाचं नातं कसं तुम्ही वाढवू शकाल. हाऊ कॅन यू रिलेट टू युअर चिल्ड्रन, वेदर दे आर टीनेजर्स, वेदर दे आर स्मॉल, वेदर दे आर बिग, ॲज फ्रेंड्स. And if you
Yeah.
can do that, I think our film has touched somewhere, and you'll have made it in the right spot. That's what my film talks about. It's a story about friendship.
Absolutely. Ma'am, do you want to? Yeah.
आम्हाला एकच सांगायचं आहे की if you like the film, when you step out of the theater and it resonates with you in any way, then you must go and
Absolutely.
the next person you meet to go back and watch film, because
Yeah.
this film will resonate with everyone.
Everyone. Yeah.
Whether, like Ajinkya ji said, that it's a relationship. There's a daughter, there's a mother, there's a father, there are people around. So we are all somewhere or the other trapped in these relationships, and we need to find a way to fly in these relationships, not fly out of them.
Yeah. Absolutely. Sai, do you want to add?
It was said it so beautifully. I want to say I agree, and I want people to leave the theater and then get another ticket and then go back in.
Ah.
That's the in an ideal world, I want them to do that.
Absolutely. So, Ajinkya sir, I'm posing the question to you. You have been a part of Marathi and Hindi cinema for decades. What drew you to Amira, and how does this character stand out in your filmography?
I've been blessed to do a lot of characters, lot of work, lot of different characters. And in Amira, I found a very salted, confused, but a person who has an inclination to grow out of issues. Not see, he has been a character. This character is a very confused character. Firstly, let me tell you, the character that I'm playing, which is uh, what's the name of my character? Hello, guys. Sorry.
Shubhankar. Shubhankar.
Shubhankar. Okay, sorry. So Shubhankar is a confused man.
Yeah.
Shubhankar is a very confused man. He has always treaded on thin lines, and he has tried to evade responsibilities. Maybe not because he could not take them head on, but it was only because he felt that certain other things were more important than these things at that time. आणि ह्या चित्रपटामध्ये at that time is a very lovely line which has been used very at this moment. So this it's a very strong message. So he has been a person who is confused. So it was a very interesting character for me to play. And I am dealing with a girl who is probably 10-15 years younger than me, maybe even
Yeah.
20 to me.
Yeah.
I'm falling in love with her, expecting her to love me back. I then get into phase with a girl who's tiny and who feels we develop a lovely friendship. And tiny as in tiny, she's small.
Yeah.
The young girl, we connect somewhere, and then the bomb blows right in my face when things happen the way they happen. And then Rajeshwari, I'm facing something from the past which I had never ever imagined that it would ever come in front of me. So a very multifaceted character and a very difficult character to play, but I think it was wonderful. So I would say that from my filmography part, amongst my ratings, I would give this at least from 1 to 10. I would say this is at number 4 for me. Amongst one of the very intense and interesting roles.
अजिंक्य दी की आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
Oh, is it? नहीं दे रहा था क्या?
नहीं दे रहा था, but little.
आ जा रही थी आवाज.
Oh, yeah, but I think you should. अभी आ रही है?
नहीं आ रही है.
आ रही है ना?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's what I mean. That's where I stand for this film.
Okay. So Rajeshwari ma'am, your presence always adds up depth in and to the layered character. Can you tell us more about your role in Amira?
अमायरा में ऐसा है कि साई इज माय डॉटर.
Yeah.
और हम बरसों से एक साथ जी रहे हैं. बच्चा आप बड़ा करते हो, पालते हो. इसके अलावा आपका एक और अस्तित्व है. यू आर अ वुमन हु हैज अ लाइफ ऑफ हर ओन.
Yeah.
And even before the child was born, and even when the child is there, and आगे भी होगा. And you have your own complexities in your relationships. So, and how you deal with it in today's world, where the relationships are, somewhere the children are not children who don't question the elders at all. Now you are questioned for your decisions. You question the children less, the children question you more.
Yeah.
Whatever. So, we are navigating relationships throughout in this film, also because of the circumstances. See, it's becoming very difficult for me to describe what it is, because then I'm giving away a bit of the story, and I'm trying not to touch the story, to tell you what the character is. So, yes. So, in today's world, where you have a life of your own and you're trying to navigate a growing up child and get a family life or a family together at all times, and keep the communication open and the relationships warm, she is going through all that, and it is not easy.
Okay. So, Amira, I mean Sai. Okay. Amira seems to have a youthful perspective. How did you personally connect with your character?
I would love to think I am youthful still. even though Amira is a teenager and I'm in my 20s.
Yeah.
It was actually really lovely to play a 17-year-old girl. And she was a little, so because I've been 17 before, I really could relate to this is hilarious, how a 17-year-old is. And there were moments where I didn't agree with Amira, because I don't speak to my mom that way. But
Okay.
Henna, thank you, ma'am. But then it was also I got to learn a lot about like 17-year-olds in the UK where they are genuinely lonely, and I could also understand the place that she was coming from, and she has been deprived of a few friendships and relationships. So when she finds newer uh, ways to explore those relationships, she really goes for it. So yeah, I had a great time.
Okay, so sir, how do you prepare emotionally for the role that demand intensity and maturity, especially in story driven by the relationship and social layers?
No. Firstly, I'll clarify. I'm not a method actor. I don't sit doing getting to that intensity to character. See, I've been an actor who has been very म्हणजे जर एखादा दिग्दर्शक मला ज्या पद्धतीने मोल्ड सो आय गो लाईक अ क्ले टू द स्क्रीन आय गो
To
टू
the
द शूट
character.
I get
Okay.
molded the way the director feels. The relationship things, experience has taught me so many things. It has got me and shown me so many relationships, breakups, heartfelt relationships. So they automatically surface when you get yourself in that character in the relationship while the shoot is on. So I'm
Yeah.
a start camera and cut camera actor. I do
Oh
not
wow.
dwell onto it before that or after that. So even if I'm having, I mean, I could be joking all over the place before the camera begins, and next thing I would be doing is crying, but I would justify the crime. So I think that is me. Not that I say that it's a right or wrong thing. There's nothing right or wrong about acting. Whatever works, works.
Yeah.
So that's me. But so I go as per, and I feel acting is more about reacting than acting.
Okay.
If I listen to my co-actor properly and if I look into her eyes and I get what I want, I automatically will act.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
many times
Absolutely.
what happens that you're standing in front of a co-actor who is not reacting to you, and then you're in a mess. The
Yeah.
scene will never evolve. So I think
Yeah.
acting is about reacting and catching those small moments that come there. So that's how I
Absolutely.
think acting.
That's great, sir. So, ma'am, you have worked across like languages and platforms. What excites you the most about regional cinema today?
What attracts anyone who wants to act to cinema would be a great story to tell, would be a great part to play. And that's what drives me. Language hasn't been a barrier. Uh,
Badly, yeah.
it is in terms of effort, because if it's a language that you don't think in, then you have to know your lines very well. And that's a
Absolutely.
little extra effort. Any kind of improvisation is also something that you work towards. In case this comes, I should be prepared with things. So there is a little exercise that goes into that. But apart from that, language is no barrier for a story well told in its context, in its honesty. And why are we actors? Well, that's a question that's for another day and time. We all need to introspect it and never come up with the right answer at that moment. So, but just to be able to play characters and feel emotions that are not yours, but you do enter somebody else's life and go through it. Maybe we find some kind of a thrill in that as actors to do so, and that's why we're doing this. And
Absolutely.
so I look for those paths that will excite me, that will allow me to venture into some territory that I haven't ventured into previously,
Okay.
without falling off it.
Absolutely, ma'am. Okay, Sai. So, as a newer face in the industry, how was it sharing screen space with the seasoned actor like Ajinkya sir and Rajeshwari, ma'am?
Genuinely experience of a lifetime. Like I got to learn so much. They are absolute veterans and like superstar human beings as well, not
Ab-
just like incredible actors, which is
yeah.
why they fully like took me in their wing and they were like super kind, and I got to learn so much just by like witnessing them perform. There used to be times where they would act and I would just forget that my line was next because I was so engrossed. I literally got to learn so much. It was like a master class in itself. Truly, truly, truly. I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of a project where I could share screen space with them.
A bonus point to your first film debut.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so do you guys remember any fun scenes or something like from the BTS behind the scene? Do you
No,
want
I
to
mean,
share something?
I was having fun across the whole film. I have had fun. Enjoyed the film, enjoyed the shoot, enjoyed London to the to the topmost level that I could. So it was like, so I think it was, we never understood or realized how the film began, got to the midway and finished also. Everybody was so cohesive. There was a lovely give and take. And the unit was full of fun. So I think everybody has had their own time. I enjoyed every thoroughly with all of them.
He was a cool guy.
The prankster.
I was
The
just
prankster.
I was me.
Yeah. So, ma'am, do you want to add on that?
About the good times, like he said, they were all fun times. It was fun. London, the weather was good and cold and nice. And
Yeah.
Sri and I and Pooja, we went for long walks. And we had
Wow.
a few incidences and experiences on our walks out. And we ate a lot. And
A lot, yeah.
yes, we did.
Okay.
And we did go out for this midnight dinner. Remember when we didn't get food anywhere and we got one restaurant to feed us? So
Yes, it was a musical night.
yes, and how much we sang.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, lastly, what message or what something advice you want to give to your audience?
What message? I mean, I don't think that there is any message here. I would only say go watch films. I would only
Absolutely.
say मराठी लोक थोडी चिकित्सक असतात, त्यामुळे ते वाट बघतात सगळ्यांचा फीडबॅक येण्याचा आणि मग चित्रपट बघायला जातात. ते न करता तुम्ही सगळे सिनेमा बघा, चांगला वाईट बरा वाईट हा is fine. You can scratch the cinema off, but see it first and then take a decision. So go to the theater, watch nice films are there. We have put our heart into it. You put a little bit of your money into it, come see the film, and I'm sure you'll have a joyful experience watching our film. And all the films should be watched by you all. Please do come. We are there for you, so be there for us.
Absolutely, sir. Ma'am?
कला तब पूरी होती है जब देखने वाले उसको हों, इसीलिए जब हमने अपना काम किया है, मैं यही चाहूंगी कि लोग देखें फिल्म को, तभी वो पूरा होगा अपने आप में. So I would request all the audiences to go and watch a film, like he said, good or bad or whatever. It is a good film, of course, but that you decide after you've seen it. So
Yeah.
please go and see.
Okay. So, so film is already out. So, would you like to share your upcoming projects to your audience so audience can wait?
I have three lovely Marathi films which are going to be pipelined and in the
Wow.
pipeline to be released. Excellent. One is with Tejasvi Pradhan, again a young actor. It's a beautiful new age love story. Second one is a very psychological thriller of types. Then there is one film that I have done for Lionsgate with Neetu Singh ji, opposite
Wow.
her. It's a beautiful film again. And two more projects which I can't really be talking about right now because they are they are huge films, both of them. So they are both Hindi and they are huge. So one is Farhan Akhtar's film and the other one is Prime Focus, directed by Nitesh Tiwari. I'm sure
Wow.
whoever guesses right guesses it. So
Yeah.
so I have a lot of things coming up and looking forward to them.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, well, there's something called an NDA that they make us sign these days.
Yeah.
So
Okay, yeah.
it's a non-disclosure agreement. But I can definitely say that there's a film in the pipeline which should see the light of day soon. And then there are three projects for the OTT. So they
Okay.
should all be out by the end of this year. So I'm looking forward.
Okay. Sai,
Yeah,
what
actually,
about
I should mention about the OTT that I've just done. with
web
Karishma
series?
Kapoor.
Yeah,
It's a Karishma
web
Kapoor.
series.
Yeah, it's a web series and it's called Brown. It's been directed by my brother. So that also is going to be coming up soon.
Okay. Sai?
I'm so excited. I'm gonna watch all these projects. That's really exciting.
Absolutely.
I right now can't say anything, but there's some really cool stuff. And as soon as we get like a sneak peek of that, I'll let you know.
I want to
Okay.
ask you a question.
Yes.
When are you going to be singing, like professionally, cutting a single or coming up with an album?
Oh my, okay. I was going to, okay, fine, then I'll just say it. So this month then, we are releasing, my brother and I are releasing a Marathi song. It's a Marathi pop song.
Okay.
So like how Toba Toba or like
Yeah,
Karan
yeah,
Aujla songs are in
absolutely.
Punjabi, we don't have like a Marathi pop song. So, which is why that's my original that's releasing this month.
Wow.
So, yes.
Eager to wait, yeah. Okay, as we talk, lastly, as Sir mentioned the OTT thing, so nowadays people are shifting. Do you guys think that people are more shifting to OTT rather than the theaters?
Most
The
certainly they are.
audience.
Most certainly they are. And there are a couple of reasons for it, which, and the first and foremost one happens to be the fact that traveling to the theaters has become a big issue for everybody. Reaching the theater, because of the way the current state of roads in probably every state is, so people are wary of moving out of their comfort zone, and they prefer to sit and watch. And there is so much content available, so much lovely content worldwide available. So they don't want to come, and that's why actually right now theaters are bleeding. So
Absolutely.
that's why, as an actor, I would request people, because the real fun of watching any film, be it small or big, is the theaters. The theaters
Theaters, yeah.
are the place where you get the real experience. In the small screen, however good, bad it is, you may be having a home screen at your place, but still you'll not get the same feel as the theater. So please do come out. I know conditions are not so great, but make an effort, go out. People are doing good films. People are making them so that you come and see it in the theaters. Not that films are not working. Chhawa did such great business.
Yeah.
Impossible. The Final Reckoning is rocking all over the place. And there is, I think the Pulchuk Mark is doing very well. So people are going. Not that they're not, but they're being selected. So openly go, yeah. Go and watch them in the film theater. It's fun.
Also, people are like nowadays the movies are getting re-released. The concept of re-release, so people are going to watch the re-release to get that nostalgia or something. So why not watch the new films instead to get the views and this thing more?
Absolutely.
Yeah, ma'am, do you want to add something on that?
Going to watch a film was a social thing, you know. You used to go get ready, somebody would go book tickets, and then you would dress up to go to the movies. There was a time that happened, and it was a family affair. Lives are so isolated these days. It's running so fast, and whatever. This is how change happens. And people are watching entertainment on their phones, and they have to do other things. And as it is, as social beings, we don't interact as much. So I
Yeah.
guess that's one of the reasons that people don't go, but they should, because the other day we took our son out for a film, and it was so nice. And I remembered, I said, no, my son asked me, he says, you are dressing up. I said, yes. For old time's sake, I want to dress up to go to the movies. So, but yes, having said that, so you have the OTT platforms, people are watching different kind of content that you might not want to watch with the family, or maybe go a little deeper into a subject. So that platform offers you a different kind of storytelling and narrative. So they are all welcome as long as the movies stay on, because it's still a magical experience to enjoy with your family together.
Absolutely. So, Sai, being a Gen Z, so what do you feel about the OTT release and the theater release?
I feel like the Gen Z is so open and accepting of everything. We love it. We love OTT platforms. We love theatrical releases as long as the story is good and we don't feel like we were taken for granted.
Yeah, yeah.
So we are very open and accepting to everything. And yeah, bring it on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was very interesting interview, I must say.
Thank
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.